Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangles exercise 6.2 fourth sum. Let's see the question. In the figure, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. So these two are parallel and these two are parallel. We need to prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. On the same side, we need to prove they are proportional. Now always take the given, in the given it is given that DE is parallel to AC. So I'll just darken it. DE is parallel to AC. Here always take the bigger line of the two parallel. Here the bigger line is this. Take take it to be a base of a triangle. So my triangle will be of ABC. Because there is no in between triangle, we need to get even this and the triangle. So I am taking the triangle ABC. Everyone will think of triangle this, but the line should be there in the triangle. If you want to take a triangle, so we need to take a triangle of ABC. So in triangle ABC, we know that DE is parallel to EAC. So according to by BPT, we know that if it is parallel, go off with BPT. We know that forget these two lines, we know only now these two lines, or otherwise draw a diagram of BDA DE is parallel to AC. So we know that BD by DA equal to BE by EC. So BD by DA equal to BE by EC. No, I have proved one. Now we'll move on to the next parallel. In the next parallel, it's given that DF is parallel to AE. Now the bigger line is this. In the two parallel, the bigger line is this. Take this triangle. So this should be included in it. Forget all the rest. Now let me draw the diagram again of a triangle, and DE is parallel, DF is parallel to AE. So this will be my diagram. So BAE triangle. So in triangle ABE, we know that DF is parallel to AE. So according to BPT, by BPT we know BD by DA. BD by DA is equal to BF by FV. So take this one, take this two, check 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we have a same this. So leaving the same, write this two are equal because this 2 is equal to this 2. That means this is equal to this is equal to this. The same thing is equal to something 2. So leaving the same thing, write the rest. So now we know that BE is BE by EC is equal to BF by FE from 1 and 2. So from according to 1 and 2 we know that these two are equal, but they have given this is coming in the first, so write accordingly what they have given, write ends proved. So we have proved what they have asked for. That's all with the sum. Thank you.